Welcome this video introducing a Paglo patio with a perfect spot to relax, main interest and enjoy the outdoor with a little creating. You can create transforming your Paglo patio within a stream oasis, then relax your personal style. We explored Paglo patio decor idea to inspire you. Paglo patio decor idea. Add light, sticky light, latching fit light can add warmth and embracing. You can Paglo patio incorporating hen plant from the Paglo being or place theme in plants around the patio to create a lush and invite atmosphere. Use outdoor furniture. Choose comfortable and style outdoor furniture such as wicked soft around chairing and hand to create a cozy set area. Add a water feature. A smart fountain for earbud can add a smooth sound and various interior to your Paglo patio, incorporating decoration elements.